Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I want to share with you one key lesson that I've learned after onboarding clients, closing clients who have paid me 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs annually. I have had people who have paid me that amount of money in one shot. So how did I manage to get people in India? And I'm not talking about international markets, I'm talking about India market. India as the market. So किस तरह मैंने क्या है वो एक one of those lessons that I've learned कि किस तरह से how do you communicate your value in such a manner that people want to work with you. And to be very honest, there have been times when I've actually declined the requests of a couple of people also who were willing to pay me 10 lakh upfront and in the last 1 year. So how do you communicate your value in such a way if you're giving your service? So if you're that someone who is running Facebook ads for yourself or you want to do it for your clients, इस वीडियो में हम इसी बारे में थोड़ी सी मैं आपसे एक कैंडिड रॉ तरीके से ये शेयर करूंगा दैट किस तरह से वो एक चीज़ है, एक लेसन है जो मैंने सीखा है इस पूरे एक्सपीरियंस से, जिस तरह से आप उसको अपनी वैल्यू को पोजिशन करते हो इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्लाइंट, राइट? And this is very contrary to what the world will teach you or a lot of people will tell you. Because ये कोई मैंने कहीं से सीखा नहीं है. Like this is not something that I learned from any course or a book or anything. It's just it is just coming from my own experience. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be very helpful. Just to give you a little background. So at present at our agency we manage 6 Facebook ad accounts. We spend roughly around 2.2 to 2.4 lakh per week. And ऊपर नीचे चलता रहता है थोड़ा बहुत, but that's roughly what it is, the average. Now we are scaling 2 ad accounts and that's pretty much what I do. So let's talk about the lesson that I learned on how to communicate your value in such a way in a service business that the other person is willing to hire you or pay you for whatever it is that you're selling. Yes, for your coaching service, for your consulting service, for your agency service. Let's talk about that. One ingredient, one key lesson, okay? And I'll just tell you what that lesson is first and then I'll explain more on that, okay? The lesson is simple and straightforward. It is honesty, okay? And I'll tell you, in the world that we are living in, honesty is rare to find, and that's what actually becomes your unique value proposition, honestly, on sales calls or on presentations. Because when you are honest, telling people what you can do and more importantly, telling them what you cannot do absolutely clearly, it builds up your reputation really well that okay, that you are that someone who can be trusted. And I'll tell you that when you look at closing clients in 7 figures, 8 figures, right? Usually, of course, see, I'm not telling you that anybody can do it. I don't want you to take this video like just pick up your phone one day and start cold calling and you'll reaching out to random people and you'll suddenly get people to pay you money. That's not what I'm saying. Of course, it takes experience, and you have to have some kind of experience and work portfolio that you can showcase, and then people can see your work also. But I had that. मेरे पास वो सब था और अभी भी है, तभी वो हो पाता है. लेकिन उसमें भी एक lesson ये होता है that I've realized that people are not honest. They will say a million things just so that they can just get I think they can feel good about that. Hey, I closed a client. Hey, I got somebody to pay me money, and they're just feeling good about themselves just to prove that, hey, they are worth it. Like, okay, they did it, and then they can flex probably. And this mindset takes over and unfortunately makes people say things that they are not doing, or make them tell clients the things that they are not doing. And as a result, what happens is the conviction in the tonality, on the calls, on the sales calls, in the presentations, the conviction in the tonality decreases. Why? Because you are not being honest. The only time when you will be nervous during selling, whether one-on-one call, one-to-many presentations, the only time you will be nervous selling, is the time when you're not being yourself, when you are saying things that you are not doing. And the moment you start to say things that you do, you will have some sort of that conviction in your tonality, because that will showcase the confidence you have on your product or your service that you sell. And a lot of times people want everything to be like perfect. जैसे कि फंबल नहीं करना है बोलते हुए, उनको लगता है कि इन चीज़ों से कोई नहीं खरीदता कुछ भी, guys. Like ये वीडियो ही सबसे बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है. I'm leading by example. Like this is a raw, uncut version. I'm just going to do this and I'm going to just put it out there and you guys will learn from it. And this is the real way of communicating your value, because ultimately in a service business, you are working with a human being. You're working with a person. It's a person-to-person business model, P2P business model. It's not B2B, B2C, it's P2P, person to person. People work with teams, people work with a person, with a human being. So you want to show your human side, like who you are as a person. And, you know, it comes from this angle of giving unrealistic guarantees to people, right? And it just spoils your reputation in the long term. Instead of that, I would rather, I'll tell you, I'll give you an example and then you'll understand, a real life example. So there was this one client, that the first client, who paid me in 7 figures, okay, upfront. Now he knew me from before, so I nurtured him. I had already offered a lot of value to him, so that's how that deal happened. So I'm not telling you that, yeah, this is a shortcut to success. This steps definitely is not shortcut to success. And this video is not about how to close high ticket clients. This is about how to sell, right? It's like whether you sell it high ticket or whatever, low ticket, whatever. So मैंने उनको एक कमिटमेंट दी थी, ठीक है, और वो कमिटमेंट थी दैट माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज टू टेक योर बिजनेस आइडिया दैट यू हैव. नाउ ही वाज इन अ कोचिंग एंड कंसल्टिंग बिजनेस इन द फाइनेंस niche, okay. I told him that my commitment to you is that I'll make you hit 1 crore in revenue. 1 crore in revenue in 12 months. If I don't, I will continue to work with you for free until I do. Refund is not going to be there because it's a 1-year term. So of course there's a lot of other expense and team expense, etc. So those expenses cannot be, you know, rebated, but refund nahi ho sakta unka. But I'm going to make you hit your goal. I'm not going to quit on you. That's my word. That's my 100% commitment. So I did not give the guarantee that, hey, you get this money or you don't pay. Hey, you get this or you get your money back. Because the reality is I can't give the money back because it's 1 साल का टर्म है, 1 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है. तो मैं कैसे एकदम से बोल दूं कि आपको नहीं हुआ तो मैं 1 साल बाद पैसे वापस दे दूंगा? That's अनरियलिस्टिक है, राइट? सो सच बोला. एंड गेस क्या हुआ? 6 महीने में, पहले 6 महीने में उन्होंने 10 लाख किए, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा ट्रायल एंड एरर हुआ. तो 10 लाख तो पहले 6 महीने में हुए, और दूसरे 6 महीने में 1 करोड़ 10 लाख हुए. Can you beat that? Once everything was dialed in, the sales funnel was dialed in, the processes were dialed in, the selling pitch was sales pitch for him was dialed in. All of हर जगह में मैं जहाँ हेल्प कर सका मैंने किया. उनकी इस हद तक हेल्प करी कि मैंने खुद मुझे एड शूट करनी पड़ी तो मैंने करी, राइट? बिकॉज wherever I could control the money needle, like for him, I did it because I made a commitment and I was just being honest in whatever I do, right? And that's the lesson that I want to share with you, that honesty is what is going to help you sell the most during one-on-one presentation or one-to-many presentation. It really doesn't matter. It is going to be honest that's going to sell the most. So do not say things that you are not doing. People often misunderstand the concept of guarantees because they're learning from international markets. And if you're serving in Indian market, I want you to understand this. People don't buy out of guarantees. People buy out of realistic guarantees. And there's a very big difference. The keyword is realistic guarantees. So say things that you can do. And if there is any ask that you cannot deliver, if your client you are seeing so much of money coming your way and the client is saying, hey, can you do that? If you think you cannot do it, you have to be very clear and just tell them that, hey, I can't do it. So it's basically, honesty is the best policy, to be very, very frank with you. There is no tricks to it, and just try it once. Just be very, very honest. Tell people, hey, this is what I have done. This is what I can do. This is what I haven't done, but it'll be my pleasure if I can do it for you because I always wanted to, but I have not done it in the past. Now, this honesty is rare to find. So if you become very honest in whatever you are doing and whatever you have done, everybody would want to work with such kind of a human being because that human being is just being honest, and people just want transparency. That's why one of the code of honors that we have at our agency, one of the pillars that we stand by, is 100% transparency. And you will see the reflection of that even in my videos. Like, I'll just do very candid videos because it's just the way I am. That's just the way I think we should be, right? If you hide things and if you say things bada chada ke zyada, people will ultimately find out, or they will, even if they forget about finding out, they'll just see that, that you are just like everybody else. And then there is no difference. So to be honest, to position yourself uniquely today, it's actually not hard, it's actually easy, because the way to position yourself uniquely is just by being honest and being yourself. Because if you do that, then you become unique, right? Because you're just being very, very straightforward. That's the only message I had to share for you with you today, that when you're selling, just be honest, say things that you have done, don't say things that you have not done, and you'll see the difference in your sales conversion rates when you follow this approach. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.